Hello. 7th class social study lesson 3rd, tanks and groundwater, part 2. Groundwater. Rainwater not only flow down the streams or rivers but also slowly goes down into the soil. This water accumulates below the ground in the gaps between the rocks, pebbles and sand, etc. This is the groundwater which we reach through well and bore wells. For example, this is the mountain, when the rainwater is flow, it will be come down. Some water will be go in the rivers and some go inside the soil, where the some type of a rocks will be there. Rocks, pebbles and sand. So it will be go inside them, and this water will be useful have reached to us by well and bore well. Rocks which have cracks and pores. Rocks which have the holes. Okay, small holes in the rocks. Rocks which have hole, they have the capacity to contain the water. These rocks are called the previous rocks. These rocks are called the previous rocks. In Telangana, there are some areas where such rocks like sandy stones are found, which did not have the capacity to contain the water. Some rocks like granite, Kadapa limestone, etc. are very compact and do not have the pores in them. The rocks did not have any pores. Pores means small hole to accumulate the water. Water cannot enter into them, such types of rocks. These rocks are called impervious. These types of rocks called the impervious rocks. Most of the rocks underlying the soil of in Telangana are the same kind. There are the type of impervious rocks only in Telangana. But in some area like rivers, in rivers you will find that even nearby the river, what we find sand, soil and pebbles in near the river and under the river layer. In the layer of the water accumulate under the ground among rocks. In that we are called the aquifying. Aquifying means which have the water. The thickness of the aquifying determine the availability of the groundwater in this area. So where the rivers are there we can find the groundwater in Telangana region. Water table or groundwater level. You can see in this picture. There are 4 wells are there. Okay. In the rainy season, the water level is at the 5 meter of height below the ground level. Okay, this is the ground. Ground level below 5 meters the water is have in the rainy season. So some people build the tanks at the 15 meters of below the land level. Some will build at 10 meters, some will be built at the 5 meters. So like the well will be at different levels, but the water in the wells will be not same in every season. In the summer season the water goes down and it may be in 10 meters or in the 15 meters below also from the ground. So this table where the minimum of the water will be available is called the groundwater level. So this will be said that groundwater table or groundwater level, which show us the which level the water is there in area. Now rocks and groundwater in Telangana. How the rocks are there in Telangana? I told you in Telangana many places what we find the granite and hard stones. They have the hard and impervious stone which can't hold the water. The top of the position of the rocks are about 20 meters are broken, weathery. They carry the water. Many of these rocks also have the deep cracks going down to 50 to 100 meter depth. These cracks too contain water normally with the ordinary wells that we dig. We tap the water present in the top weather layer. Bore wells, which are digging with the help of the drilling machines, reach it with the deep cracks and draw the water from them. You can see in this picture. Okay, when it is the well only, well will be go till the weathering rocks. Well will be go till the weathering rocks. Okay, from there only they can able to throw the water to bring to us. But what happened in the type of granite, where the weathery rocks did not carry the water, but down in the hard granite we can find some of the water. That water we need means what we have to do, we have to dig the bore wells. Bore wells are dug by the drilling machine. You can see in your area many people are done the bore wells. They will be dug the bore wells more than the 15-20 like this meters down. They will be dig the kilometers down, they will be dig the bore wells. In many mandals of Telangana, the periodical rocks are not granite. But in some places of Telangana, what happened? We did not find the granite. We will find the quality of groundwater goes in their structures. Like the rocks of Kadapa type. Kadapa type means limestones. Limestones are the type of rocks which are hard but they can broken down. By broken down, they will be make the small holes which will be able to carry or allow us to accumulate the water in them. That's why in some area of Telangana where the Kadapa limestones are found, we will get the water. And in some area like river, I told you now only, near the river, the rocks, the sand, the pebbles and the sand, everything will be accumulate the groundwater. There also we can find some amount of groundwater like Krishna and Godavari river. Near the area of Krishna and Godavari river also we have to find some of the groundwater. It is nearly 5 to 7 meters below only we will find easily the groundwater, and we can dig the wells also near the river because it can be catch the water soon. Now we will be see how we can recharge groundwater. How can we will bring the groundwater increase? Okay, many places what happen, no cover of the trees or grass. There nothing was to stop the groundwater. What happened? There no, I told you now, how can the, if vegetation was not there, the groundwater will be not stable. That's why in the slopy area means in the mountain, for example mountains are there, the river water will be comes from the mountains only. So here we can grow the, in the mountain area we can, in the mountain slopy, if we grow the grass or trees, then it will be hold the groundwater in these areas. It will be help you to recharge the groundwater. In the hilly slope area, like grass is planted in the hilly slope area, will be have the capacity to start the stream. And also we can build some check dams also. We can build some type of a small dams. We also build some type of a tanks also to preserve the groundwater. However, it is seen in most of the part of Telangana that more water than the rechargeable rate. What happened here? People are taking the water more from the ground level, but what happened? They are not recharging the groundwater level. Why? They are not planting the trees. They are not building the dams, or we are not building the tanks also to recharge the groundwater level in the Telangana. And many of the forests are cutting down also. This is also one of the reason why the water level is going down every year. For example, in this year the water table is from 5 meters. Next year it will be go below 10 meters. Then we have to dig till the 10 meters below. And next year you go, it will be become 15 meters, because every year it is reducing 2.5 going down, because people are not recharging the groundwater level. That's why people have to recharge the groundwater level by different measurements. Like if we draw more water than what the periodical down, the groundwater will decrease over a time. If we are continue doing that, there will be no groundwater available for us for our future. So what in our country we have to do? In our country what happens? Hardly 3 to 4 months we are getting the rain, and rest of the months what we are doing? We are depending on the water for the rivers, wells and ponds only. Otherwise the groundwater resource only. So what the government have to do? We have to plant more and more trees, and we have to increase the vegetation. Okay, we can increase the tank bunds, we can increase the grassland area, we can increase also, we can plant the grasses in the hilly slope area. For this also government has introduced one plant which is called the watershed development project, in which the government will doing the projects, and trees and grass are planting on the hill slope where a stream started to hold the groundwater. Also government is building small bunds or small tanks also. They are also constructing the dams also to store the water for a long time. This is also helpful to the recharge the groundwater level. Now we will see quality of groundwater level. What is the quality? Okay, quality depends on the taste, the minerals present in the water. So groundwater usually mixed with minerals, okay, because it is in the under the ground. So underground many types of minerals will be there. Some water will be salty, some water will be sweet. It depends upon the mineral which is mixed up with the water in the area. Okay. The minerals comes from the rock and soil. Where the minerals is coming from in the water? From the rock and soil. Depending upon the mineral which is mixed with the water, the taste and the nature of the water will be changed. In many mandals of Telangana, there are exist quality of certain minerals. You can see some places what happen, the water is having the white color, which will be stay on your buckets and everything. You can see in your washrooms also, buckets in the walls. Okay, otherwise when you heat it water in water heater, that is also the water will become white, because it is having a lot amount of sodium, fluoride, chloride, iron and aerate. Okay, drinking such a water is not good for our health and cause many diseases also, like it will be affect to our bone and teeth. In such a situation, the drinking water should be properly treated to remove the excess mineral. That's why when we are drinking water, we are purifying the drinking water before we drink, because that type of a water, sodium and this all water we cannot able to drink. That's why we are taking the water which are purified, and purified places we will get the water for drinking. Many times water is polluted due to the excess use of fertilizers and pesticides also. Sometimes also in the agricultural land, everywhere they are using the many types of fertilizers and pesticides. And also poor drainage system. Our drainage system water also go into the groundwater. This is also one of the reason our groundwater will be spoiled. In our country, this is increasing day by day. You can see in many places they did not get the water for bathing or that purpose. Minimum need purpose is also they are not getting the proper water. If they are getting also, that is not for use for full purposes. Unless we take the preventive step now, most of the wells and rivers water soon will become unsafe for drinking. Okay, it will now we can see many river or wells water are not useful for drinking. Even they are not useful for bathing also. Now, use of groundwater. Groundwater, like the river, is the common source for all people, not just for those who have built it. Okay, rivers, what happen, whatever the river is there, lakes is there, it is not only the one person will be useful, it is useful for all community people. Okay, whoever living there nearby there, they will be use the water of the river or lake. But nowadays what happen, this will be they will be thinking that it is their land, that's why they are not allowing to other people to take from them water. And what happened there, they are using that water to another purpose, which is decreasing the water table. Okay, some of them are digging deep tube wells. Some places what happen where the water is not there, they are digging the deeply tube wells to get the water. This may be decline of the water level also. As a result, the well in the neighborhood are going dry. Example, here you can see one person is digging the well at 5 meters and the water level is 5 meter only available. The water is available in the 5 meter. Other what he will do, he will go to 10 level because he want to think that I will get always water, that's why I will get the 10 meter down. Another person will think it will be I will build till 12 meters down because I will also get the water hole. So like this what happened, the water table is going down. Unless we use the groundwater as a common resource, like olden days how the people will be using it, they will be use it everyone in the village, and it will be restricted manner how much they have to use and how the people will be get the water. In fact, after a few years, even those who are digging the deep tube wells, who are thinking that they will be get water in 20 meters below or for 30 meters below, they also not get water because there is no water to pump out. Today generation has received the water from the past as a scare assist. Okay, we are gifted the water from our ancestors and generations to generation as a gift. We should pass it for our future generation also. We have to give this gift to our future generation also. We should also develop the way of using and conserving water in a retained manner. We always think the way how to use the water, how to don't waste the water and conserve for the future generation. Otherwise future generation will fight destructive wars. Okay, there will be a wars for the water only and we will be responsible for it. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.